Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Now, first this evening, the government and the opposition appear to be on a collision course over the final report from the Constitution Reform Committee, CRC.
The development brings into question whether a bipartisan approach to relinquishing the king as the head of state will ever materialize.
Now, as you'll hear in this report from Sandy Williams, it is not the first time the political parties have had a standoff over the work of the committee since its formation.
Mark Golding has instructed the opposition's representatives on the committee not to sign off on the final report. This, he says, is their position until the issue of full decolonization is resolved in a manner that will allow the committee to proceed in a bipartisan manner. Mr. Golding has since written to the Prime Minister outlining his concerns. However, Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs Marlene Malahoo Fort, in a release today, described the opposition leader's response as regrettable. According to the minister, who also chairs the committee, she has always sought to accommodate the wishes and concerns of the opposition's representatives on the CRC. The two opposition members on the CRC are Anthony Hilton and Senator Donna Scott Motley. Upon conclusion of the report, there were no objections raised. The minister stressed that the report includes only matters on which consensus was reached among members. The Constitutional Reform Committee recently signed off on the list of recommendations that it will make to address severing ties with the monarchy, establish the Republic of Jamaica, and amend deeply entrenched provisions for which a referendum is required. At the time, Minister Marlene Malahoo Fort said the document was being prepared for the signature of the committee members, after which it will be sent to Cabinet for approval. Given the latest developments, she noted in her statement that while consensus of the government and opposition is a required step to advance reform of the deeply entrenched provisions, ultimately it is the people of Jamaica who will decide.
It is the hope of the CRC that when the time comes, all eligible Jamaican voters will turn out and demonstrate that it is not about political preferences, but that you, the people, want a definitive say in our governance arrangements.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.